In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the fade header scroll effect on your site. This effect adds a sleek and modern touch to your website, enhancing its overall aesthetic as visitors scroll through your content. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your site looking fresh and dynamic. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. To begin, you want to head over to your header area. This is the section at the top of your website that usually displays your logo or site name and is the point of navigation for your visitors. Once you've navigated to this area, you'll want to click on your header. This should highlight the area to let you know you've selected the correct element. Now, let's look towards the right-hand side of your screen. Here you should see a variety of options, but the one we're interested in today is represented by a gear icon. Think of this as the settings driver for your header. Go ahead and give that gear icon a click. This will open up the header scroll settings, which is where all the magic happens. Within the header scroll settings, you'll be presented with several options. These options allow you to customize how your header behaves as someone scrolls down your page. For our task at hand, you want to find and select the option that says Fades Out. This will apply the fade out effect to your header. Essentially, what happens here is that as your visitors scroll down the page, the header will gradually fade, creating a subtle disappearance effect and shifting the focus onto the content below. Once you've selected Fades Out, it's important to check if everything is working smoothly. You wouldn't want your visitors to encounter any glitches or see unexpected behavior, especially since first impressions are critical online. It's always a good idea to preview any changes you make on your site before setting them live. So go ahead and test it out on the preview of your site. Scroll the page up and down, try it with different scrolling speeds, and see how the header fades. Make sure it looks seamless and works just the way you want it to. If needed, you can go back to the settings to tweak and perfect it until it meets your expectations. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a fade header scroll effect to your website. It's a fantastic way to enhance your site's visual appeal and offer a more engaging experience for your visitors. Thanks for tuning in and happy website building.